Are you struggling to stay alive in mid-game fights? Most players don't realize upgrading armor as soon as possible is the key to winning most fights. Here's how it works. Armor upgrades come from damage dealt and Evo points. Every hit you land adds points towards evolving your Evo Shield. You can also earn Evo points from grabbing Evo caches from drops, grabbing Evo harvesters, and doing class actions like opening support bins as a support legend, or scanning airdrops as a skirmisher. Let's go over the actual steps to upgrading your armor. Step 1. Always land on a bin or scanner so you can do your class action ASAP. If you're able to do a class action in the first ring, you can aim to grab that Evo harvester when they spawn. Grabbing a support bin gives you 100 Evo points. So let's try grabbing this new Evo harvester that just showed up. Yeah. Grab that Evo harvester as soon as they spawn. You'll immediately get blue armor at this point, and it's much safer to take fights at blue than with white armor. Now for the next step. Use fights and poke damage to build progress. Even a few shots at range with an AR or marksman weapon can push your shield closer to purple. Newer players waste time looting in the beginning, ignoring Evo harvesters. You don't want to be ambushed by another team when you're still on white. Upgrading your armor is the difference between surviving or getting melted. Start evolving your shield smarter, and you'll notice your survivability skyrocket in your next match. See you in the Outlands, legends.